Double-hung window installation in Eagle, Idaho is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of double-hung windows Eagle styles available, residents can choose from numerous designs that complement their home's architecture. Double-hung window contractors in Eagle ID offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing peace of mind and long-lasting results. Energy-efficient double-hung windows in Eagle, Idaho are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-hung window efficiency in Eagle, Idaho is a key consideration for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy performance. Custom double-hung windows Eagle, Idaho offer a personalized touch to any home renovation project. Homeowners can select from a range of double-hung window materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, to create a unique look that suits their style. Double-hung window experts in Eagle, Idaho can guide you through the customization process, ensuring your new windows meet your specific needs and preferences. Double-hung window replacement in Eagle ID is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly improve a home's insulation and reduce utility bills. Double-hung window replacement Eagle ID services are provided by experienced contractors who ensure a smooth and efficient process. Double-hung window replacement in Eagle, Idaho is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular double-hung window maintenance can prevent issues such as drafts, leaks, and operational difficulties. Double-hung window replacement Eagle, Idaho services are available to address any problems promptly, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Affordable double-hung windows Eagle ID are available for homeowners on a budget. By choosing cost-effective double-hung window options, residents can enjoy the benefits of new windows without breaking the bank. Double-hung window cost Eagle, Idaho varies depending on the materials and features selected, but there are options to suit every budget. Double-hung window reviews. Eagle ID provide valuable insights into the performance and satisfaction of various window brands and models. Homeowners can use these reviews to make informed decisions when selecting double-hung window suppliers Eagle, Idaho. By choosing reputable suppliers, residents can ensure they receive high-quality products and services. Double-hung window upgrades Eagle ID can enhance the security, durability, and aesthetics of your home. Upgrading to windows with advanced features such as reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass can provide added protection and peace of mind. Double-hung window security Eagle ID is a top priority for many homeowners seeking to safeguard their property. Double-hung window designs. Eagle, Idaho offer a wide range of options to suit any architectural style. From traditional to contemporary, there are double-hung window designs to complement every home. Double-hung window aesthetics. Eagle, Idaho play a crucial role in enhancing curb appeal and increasing property value.